In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page titles from WordPress the right way. If you're new to WordPress, or even if you've been using it for a while, you might find some of the default settings don't quite fit with the design you're going for. Page titles, for instance, can sometimes disrupt the clean, minimal look of your site or landing page. Whether you're working on a sleek homepage or creating a focused call to action page, removing these titles can help streamline the user experience. Let's dive in, and I'll walk you through the steps to do this quickly and effectively. First, open your web browser and head over to www.wordpress.com. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. Now, if your WordPress account is linked to Google, you can save yourself a step by clicking Continue with Google instead. From there, simply select the Google account that's connected to your WordPress site. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your website, where you can manage everything from posts and pages to plugins and settings. Now, let's locate the Pages section in your dashboard. You'll find this in the left-hand menu. Click on Pages, and you'll see a list of all the static content pages on your site. These are pages like your About page, Contact page, or any other standalone content that isn't part of your blog posts. Next, scroll through the list to find the page where you'd like to remove the title. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over the title of the page. A few options will appear underneath, and one of them will be Quick Edit. Click on that. Quick Edit is a really handy feature that allows you to make changes to a page's details without having to load the full editor. This saves time and keeps the process simple. Now that you're in the Quick Edit view, look for the title field. This is where the page's title is currently stored. To remove the title, simply delete the text in this field so it's completely blank. By leaving this field empty, the title will no longer appear on the front end of your site. This is especially useful for creating minimalistic designs or focused landing pages where a visible title might feel out of place. Once you've cleared the title field, scroll down to the bottom of the Quick Edit screen and click the Update button. This step is crucial because it saves your changes and immediately applies them to your live site. Before you click Update, though, double-check that everything looks correct, as this action will overwrite the existing settings for this page. Finally, visit the front end of your site to confirm that the title has been successfully removed. Just navigate to the page you edited, and you should no longer see the title displayed. If it's still there, don't worry. Go back to the Quick Edit view and double-check that the title field was left completely blank, then update the page again. And that's it. You've just learned how to remove page titles from WordPress the right way. By following these steps, you can customize your site's design to better suit your vision, whether that's a clean homepage or a distraction-free landing page. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.